Hello everybody, we are here at Heritage Garden Lalitpur and I have my friend Vijay here and we are going to attend the Mega International Tattoo Convention. So I'm in ticket booth ma aiseko. Ticket cost is 200 per day. If you're buying ticket for 3 days, you pay only 500. So 3 days ko package ma jo आउनु हुँदैछ उहाँहरुलाई चाहिँ 100 रुपैयाँ डिस्काउन्ट छ. हाम्रो ट्याटू को मा एक्जिबिसन मा मेरो पार्टनर
आज म यस्तो ट्याटू हान्छु कि अब
मान्छेले यस्तो यस्तो ट्याटू हानेका छन् कि हैन. This is the first day of 11th International Nepal Tattoo Convention represented by Nepal Tattoo Private Limited, and this convention has started today. It's 5th April, so 2024, and it will last for 2 more days. In total, it will be for 3 days only. Artists from different countries have come to this international convention, and I'm going to recite the names of the countries that were written on the stalls that I saw. Thailand, Italy, Spain, Russia, Indonesia, Germany, UK, Switzerland, France, India, Australia, Macao, USA, Belgium, China, and Cambodia.
Every minute with the fever dreams, I push a mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Choke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see matter of fact. Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
हाम्रो पार्किङ म फर्स्ट एउटा बाइक हुँदा हामी आएको थियौँ. अहिले चाहिँ फुल पार्किङ जताततै फुल भइसकेको छ र यो चाहिँ इभेन्ट एकदमै हाइपमा गइरहेछ है. एकदमै खतरा भाइब आइरहेछ.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide if they don't.
मैले यो वाला बनाउँदाखेरि धेरै महँगो परेको थियो कि मैले बाहिर बनाएको चाहिँ अनि यो हजुरको लन्डनमा बनाएको के 250 पाउन्ड
यति कति मन हुन्छ यहाँ चाहिँ अलि उसले नबुझ्ने
त्यही भएर मैले यस्तो गरेँ
घन्टाको 4000 भनेर चाहिँ नेपाली केटाहरूले अहिले यतातिर कता कता अहिले कति भन्छ हामीले चाहिँ यो कन्भेन्सनलाई मेगा कन्भेन्सन भन्न नि सकिन्छ है ट्याटुको फिल्डमा चाहिँ यतिको इभेन्ट चाहिँ नेपालमा अलि कमै हुने गर्छ सो एकदमै मजा आयो हामीले एक्सप्लोर गऱ्यौँ है